What's up, y'all? It's Girl Sage. I just got a quick download about subscribers, people that have channels, and I don't know if it's for myself or for other people as well. The spirit just told me that people are making fake accounts, subscribing to my channel or could be your channel, and then they are unsubscribing to your channel to make you feel some type of way. They are just bots. They are just bots. People just are literally simply making fake accounts, subscribing to your channel, they will unsubscribe from your channel to make you feel to try to make you feel some type of way. That makes sense. Some people got that much time on their hand, or they make enough time to do that bullshit. Like, at the end of the day, I'm still gonna post my messages when I get downloads. I'm gonna post because I don't just post just be posting. I post when I need to, and I say what I'm guided to say. Whether people feel me or don't feel me, I'm still gonna say what I need to say. And I don't care who it ruled wrong. It might rub somebody wrong. It might rub somebody right. I'm like, oh, she talking towards me. Or I don't know how you feel about it. I'm gonna post what I need to post because I feel like at times stuff I experience, people need to know how to handle things when they about to experience it, or if they going through it. Because sometimes most times we're going through the same things. But sometimes people need a voice to understand that you'll be all right. Know when to do shit, when not to do shit, how to pull back, when to pull up. You know. So I'm like, people that's making these fake bot accounts and subscribing to my channel, unsubscribing to my channel, man, you lying. Like, and you're not gonna stop me from posting my shit. It's not gonna stop me. If y'all haven't noticed, people gonna subscribe to your channel, unsubscribe to your channel. That's normal. But I gotta download it. It's a person, particular person, maybe. It's a male. It's a guy. I gotta know who it is. He made several accounts and subscribed to my channel. And then when he sees something, if I say something he don't like, he unsubscribed from my channel with the fake accounts he made. That don't bother me, bro. Peace and love.